250 new homes are now rising in various Negros Occidental sites where families lost their homes to Typhoon Odette. These are being constructed by the recipients of Vice President Lenny Robredo's Shelter Starter kits made possible by donations through Tanging Yaman Foundation. Volunteer architects from the United Architects of the Philippines trained the recipients on how to build better, while NVC Foundation is the ground partner for the project in Typhoon Odette battered areas in Kabangkalan, Ilog, Candoni, Sipalay, Hinubaan, and Kawayan. Meanwhile, NVC Foundation also made possible the turnover of Peter Project boats. The Peter Project began in early 2013. The project started as an initiative to provide motored fishing boats to fishermen's helpers who were earning only about 50 pesos a day, but had the potential to earn more if they had boats of their own. Fishermen whose boats were destroyed by Odette were helped by Project Peter. After Typhoon Odette, NVC again reached out to fishermen in need. NVC is reopening the Peter Project to assist fishermen whose boats were destroyed by Super Typhoon Odette. Through St. Peter Project and generous donations from individuals, charity groups, local government, and corporations, NVC was able to help many fishermen reclaim their source of income.